In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a logo to all slides in PowerPoint at once, so you don't have to manually copy and paste it onto every single slide. This is perfect if you're creating business presentations, school projects, company reports, or branded templates and want your logo to appear consistently across your entire presentation. By the end of this video, you'll have your logo automatically applied to every slide using SlideMaster. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you want to add the logo. If you're starting from scratch, you can simply open a blank presentation. Once your presentation is open, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. This tab gives you access to different ways of viewing and managing your slides. Inside the View tab, look for a section called Master Views. Here, click on Slide Master. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will switch to Slide Master View. This is where you control the overall design and layout of your entire presentation. Any changes you make here can apply to all slides linked to this master layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of slide layouts. At the very top, you'll see the main master slide, which is the first and largest slide in the list. Click on that very first slide. This is important because changes made to this top master slide will apply to all the layouts underneath it. Now that you've selected the main master slide, go back to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, click on Pictures. PowerPoint will give you options to insert a picture from your device or other locations. Choose the option that lets you browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where your logo is saved, select the image file, and then click on Insert. Your logo will now appear on the SlideMaster. Next, you'll want to adjust the size and position of the logo. Click on the image and drag it to where you want it to appear on your slides. Most people place logos in the top corner or bottom corner of the slide, depending on their design preference. You can resize the logo by clicking and dragging one of the corner handles. Make sure to drag from the corners to maintain the correct proportions and avoid stretching the image. Take a moment to position it neatly. You can also use the alignment guides in PowerPoint to help you line everything up perfectly. Remember, wherever you place this logo on the master slide is exactly where it will appear on all the slides connected to this layout. Once you're happy with the size and placement, go back to the top menu and click on the View tab again. Then click on Normal. This will exit the SlideMaster view and return you to your regular slide editing mode. Now scroll through your presentation slides. You should see that the logo has automatically appeared on all slides that use that master layout. This saves you a huge amount of time compared to manually inserting the logo one by one. If you notice that a particular slide doesn't show the logo, it may be using a different layout. In that case, you can either reapply the layout or go back into SlideMaster and add the logo to that specific layout as well. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to all slides in PowerPoint using SlideMaster. This method keeps your presentation consistent, professional, and much easier to manage, especially if you need to update the logo later. You'll only have to change it once in the SlideMaster, and it will update everywhere. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.